Evolution of heart in vertebrates. So this is again the chart showing evolution of heart. So very beautifully prepared by the students. So most of the time I used to make a lecture or prepare lecture on this topic because this is very important topic, and most of the students they feel difficulty in understanding the evolution of heart. If I talk in a simple way, or if I say in simple words, that it's not very difficult question. It's just simply evolution from the primitive animals to the highly evolved animals. Or you can say, if you talk about vertebrates, so the vertebrates starting from the fish or elastobrans. So you can see the heart here is very simple two-chambered heart. Here you can see the diagram of elastobrach heart. So sinus venosus is there, and you can observe the conus arteriosus, and then this is atrium, or you can name it atrium, ventral aorta, conus arteriosus, and then the presence of valves. So this is the diagram here. Here you can also see the example through the diagram here. Upper one ventral aorta, then there is posterior semilunar valve and anterior semilunar valve, and there is chordae tendineae inside, and this is the lower wall of ventricle, and this one is the atrium. So single atrium and single ventricle. So two-chambered heart is present in case of elastobrans or fish. So then come to the second highly evolved animal after fish, that is the amphibians or frog. So here you can see the heart is three-chambered. Three-chambered heart is present here. So left auricle, right auricle, left auricle, right auricle, and single ventricle. So only three-chambered. So in this diagram also you can see left auricle, right auricle, and single ventricle. So you can see large ventricle at the base. So this is the main difference between Pisces and amphibians. So here you can see Pisces two-chambered heart, and in amphibians it is three-chambered heart. Then more advanced than this amphibian, the reptiles again having the three-chambered heart, but you can observe this one. This is interventricular septum, which is partially dividing the ventricle. So ventricle is partially divided. You can see here ventricle is partially divided, although it's the three-chambered heart. So in case of reptiles, you can see here also, here you can see reptiles three-chambered but partially divided ventricle. Then come to the highly evolved animals, that are birds and mammals. So both of them having the four-chambered heart. Four-chambered heart means two auricles, two ventricles. Two auricles, two ventricles. Here you can also observe the two auricles, round one, and two ventricles. Two auricles and two ventricles. It means oxygenated blood is separated from the deoxygenated blood. So in the starting it was single circulation, but later on in highly evolved it is double circulation. So that is the main difference. So you can see from two-chambered to three-chambered, three-chambered to four-chambered. So from two-chambered to three-chambered heart, from single circulation to double circulation. That is the main difference or main evolution, starting from the lower animals to the higher animals in the vertebrates.